Hi friends, welcome to my class Rational Numbers, Chapter 1 of Class 8th. Today I am going to discuss the problems on exercise 1.1. Here you have a question. 18 plus 9 plus 2 plus 11. What's its answer? You add it 18 plus 9, then that answer plus 2, then plus 11. Hope you got the answer. But in some other way, your addition will be easy. Let me add in this way. I added 18 and 2 first, then 9 and 11 second. What is 18 plus 2? It is 20. 9 plus 11, again 20. 20 plus 20, 40 is the answer. Is it not easier than the first method? So if you are given many numbers to add, you can regroup it and add. Then it will be easy. Here is your next question. 11 into 6 plus 4 into 11. Do find out your answer. Here also you have an easy method. See here one number in both set, both term it is there. 11 into 6, 4 into 11. 11 is there. You can take 11 common. So you can write it is 11 into, then 6 is here. Here 4 is there. So you can write 11 into 6 plus 4. So that is 11 into 6 plus 4, 10. It is 110. Is it so easy? This is a property we studied in the last class. It is called distributive property. This is the first question of exercise 1.1. Using appropriate properties, find negative 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Here you can see one rational number is repeating. Which is that one? Yes, here one 3 by 5 is there. Here also one 3 by 5 is there. So in the first step, we can write these two terms together. So do write it down. So first we can regroup and write negative 3 by 2 by 3 into 3 by 5, then minus 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into 1 by 6, then plus 5 by 2 in this way. Now you can use distributive property here. Here 3 by 5 is common. So take 3 by 5 outside and do write it down. What will you get? Yes, you can write as 3 by 5 into, then if 3 by 5 is taken out, 92 by 3 inside, then the minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Now in bracket negative 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. 3 and 6 take the LCM. LCM is 6 and do subtract. You know how to subtract two rational numbers. Yes. 6 is common. Then 3 two times. So negative 2 into 2 minus 6 one time. So numerator 1 into 1. Then rest everything you write it as 3 by 5 into and plus 5 by 2. Now what will you get? Negative 2 into 2, negative 4 minus negative 1 by 6 will be there in the brackets. Then 3 by 5 into negative 4 minus negative 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Now this you will get it as 3 by 5 into negative 4 minus 1 is negative 4 plus negative 1, that is negative 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Now here 3 and 6, 3 6 2 times it will go, 5 and 5 1 time, so this will be 1 into negative 1, here 1 into 2 plus 5 by 2. 1 into negative 1 you can write it as negative 1, 1 into 2 2 plus 5 by 2. Now here 2 is common denominator, so you can take 2 as common, then the numerator will be negative 1 plus 5. So negative 1 plus 5 different signs, so subtract, you will get 4. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 you will get 2 as answer. Hope you got the correct answer. Now let us look at the next question. Here is your second question. 2 by 5 into negative 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. First you regroup the terms. Here you can see which rational number is repeating. Here 1 2 by 5 is there, in the last also 2 by 5 is there. So these two taken together and write. The first step you can write it as 2 by 5 into negative 3 by 7, that is first, and last 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. These two taken, the first and last take together, and the middle one minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Now in the first two term 2 by 5 you can take it as common, then what will be inside? Negative 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. So next step you can write as 2 by 5 into negative 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Now 7 and 14, what is the LCM? Yes, it is 14. Now take the LCM and do this sum. So you get 2 by 5 into negative 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 as 14 as common. Here one step is repeated. 7 and 14 LCM is 14. So 7 2 times in 14. 7 2s are 14. So numerator negative 3 into 2 plus 14 14 1 times. So 1 into 1. Then rest minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Next do multiply. You will get 2 by 5 into negative 3 into 2. You will get negative 6 plus 1 by 14. Now what is negative 6 plus 1? It is negative 5. So you can write 2 by 5 into negative 5 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Now you can, here 2 and 14, 5 and 5, you can cancel it. Here 2 14, 7 times, 5 5 1 time. So numerator will be 1 into negative 1 and denominator will be 1 into 7. So that you can write it as 1 into negative 1 by 1 into 7 minus 1 by, here also you can simplify as in 6 3 2 times, in 3 3 1 time. So it is 1 into 1 by 2 into 2. So we get 1 into negative 1 is negative 1 by 7 minus 1 by 2 into 4. 7 and 4 LCM is 28. So 7 28 4 times, so negative 1 into 4. 4 28 7 times, negative 1 into 7. Or either you can do in this way, negative 1 into 4 minus 1 into 7 by 7 into 4 28 by cross multiplication. The answer is negative 1 into 4 is negative 4 minus 7 by 28. Now how will you minus it? Just add the additive inverse, that is plus negative 7 by 28. So negative 4 plus negative 7 both are negative, so add it and put the same sign. So the answer is negative 11 by 28. Hope you did it correctly. Now additive inverse. Do you remember what additive inverse is? Do you remember the additive inverse of 5? What is it? Yes, it is negative 5. Why the additive inverse of 5 becomes negative 5? If you add 5 plus negative 5, what will you get? You will get 0. So you can say additive inverse of 5 is negative 5, or additive inverse of negative 5, you can say 5. Then what about the rational numbers? The additive inverse of negative 3 by 4, you can write it as negative 4 by 3. Now let us do some questions. Here is the second question. Try the additive inverse of each of the following. Just you write additive inverse of 2 by 8. What it will be? Yes, it is negative 2 by 8. Here look at the third question. Negative 6 by negative 5. Here negative 6 means negative 1 into 6. Negative 5 means negative 1 into 5. So negative 1 cancel. So the question really it is 6 by 5. So its additive inverse negative 6 by 5. The fourth question, 2 by negative 9. Usually we are writing negative sign to the numerator. So this again you can rewrite as equal to negative 2 by 9. And its reciprocal is 2 by 9. Sorry, additive inverse is 2 by 9. And so on. Do it. Do you remember what is negative of a number? Negative of 7. Again it is the additive inverse. Negative of 7 you can write it as negative 7, or using symbol you can write negative of 7 is equal to negative 7. Now what is negative of negative 7? This means the additive inverse of negative 7. What it is? Yes, it is positive 7. Now let us have another question. Verify that negative of negative h is equal to x for h is equal to negative 5 by 12. Let us see how we will verify it. Here you have x is equal to negative 5 by 12. Now what you have to find out? Negative of x. Negative of x means negative of negative 5 by 12. Negative of negative 5 by 12 means additive inverse of negative 5 by 12. What is it? It is 5 by 12. Change the sign of 5 by 12. Now again you have to find out the negative of this number. So next, negative of negative x is equal to what? Negative of 5 by 12. That is negative 5 by 12. Actually what is negative 5 by 12? It is x. So you can write it is x. Therefore we can conclude negative of negative x is equal to x. Now let us do some problems. Verify that negative of negative h is equal to x for h is equal to 11 by 50, h is equal to negative 13 by 7. This is the third question. Try to do it. What is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4? Do you remember it? Multiplicative inverse. It is also known as reciprocal of a number. So multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4, you can write it as 4 by 3. Why it is so? If you multiply these two, you must get a 1. Let us see here. Here 3 3 one time, 4 4 one time. So 1 into 1 1 by 1 into 1 1, you will get 1. So to find out the multiplicative inverse of or reciprocal, you just interchange the numerator and the denominator. It is 3 by 4, then multiplicative inverse 4 by 3. If it is negative 3 by 4, then multiplicative inverse is negative 4 by 3. Here are some questions to find out the multiplicative inverse of the following. You have to write negative 13. Actually, it is negative 13 by 1. So, you have to write multiplicative inverse of negative 13 is equal to negative 1 by 13. Similarly, do all the questions. Here in the fourth question, here negative 5 by 8 into negative 3 by 7. You just find out the product. That means negative 5 into negative 3, it is 15. 8 into 7, it is 56. So 15 by 56, then find out its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Similarly, here also you do the question and find out the answer, then find out its multiplicative inverse. What is the multiplicative inverse of negative 1? It is again, it is negative 1 only, because negative 1 into negative 1, you will get a 1 as answer. By this fourth question, I am winding up this class. In the next class, we will discuss the remaining questions. Do all the questions in your notebook. Have a nice day.